Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the fiddle tune Mississippi Sawyer, so stay tuned. And if you end up enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I invite you to go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below if you would like, as well as the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Alright, so we are in the key of D major for this tune, so we have two sharps that we're working with, and we're going to start off with this first phrase on the E string. Alright, so you probably noticed that for the end of that phrase we had a B using our fourth finger, so make sure you reach all the way up for that B. Next we're going to come down to a G on the E string. Alright, and then we come down to an F sharp, still on the E string. Alright, so hopefully you noticed we had that little descending scale and then ascending scale. So again, when we're learning things by ear, we always want to listen for patterns. So whenever you can pick out that there is a scale in a phrase, that will be really helpful to piecing everything together. And now we're going to come up to A on our E string, so with the third finger. Alright, and that is the end of the A section, so now let's play it together at a slower tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and getting into this B section, we're going to come down to the A string for a D using our third finger. Alright, and then for the second phrase, we're going to start off with playing a note that's outside of the key signature, so that makes it an accidental. And this is a C natural, which means we're going to use a low second finger on the A string. Alright, and now for this third phrase, we're actually going to play the exact same notes that we did for the first phrase of the B section, so hopefully you recognize these. Okay, and now we have a little scale pattern starting on the E string on a G natural for this last phrase. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing that we did for the A section, and we're going to play this B section together at a slower tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the form for this tune is AABB, which means we repeat each section, so make sure when you're playing it you add in those repeats. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning Mississippi Sawyer with me today. Be sure to stay tuned for next week's fiddle tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you then. Happy practicing! If you've made it this far, you must have enjoyed the video, so why not check out this one next? Also, if you'd like exclusive content from the Tune Project and a more personalized experience, head over to Patreon and join our wonderful little Fiddle community. Your support helps me to continue to grow as a creator and ensures that I'm able to continue to provide free educational content here on YouTube. Thank you!